Okay, welcome everyone. It's been 3 months since I've started these two accounts, and things are going pretty well. This is the Millennial Investor, and I want to show you my results so far. So let's go ahead and take a look at Lending Club first. And over here, you're going to notice a few things right away. One, the interest has jumped up quite a bit. Last month, I believe I made almost $8 worth of interest. This month, it's kind of almost hit about $22. So the interest has been increasing as my investments have been increasing. Now, something that's changed between last month and this month is I got an additional part-time job. So because it allows me to make additional money, I'm putting a portion of that into my lending club as well. So this is going to carry on for probably a month or so because it's only a temporary position, but I'm going to take a portion of that and invest it into Lending Club as well. So you're going to see the investment growing and growing, so on and so forth. So if you take a look, I've made a lot of interest. The only reason I don't have this number up here, as I mentioned in one of my earlier videos, is because when I was new to the platform, I kind of freaked out because a note entered grace period. I didn't want to, take a $25 hit on this right away because I felt that would affect my returns. So I just decided to sell it off real quick. I took a $5 hit on it and it was gone. And I definitely think I made the right decision, and I don't know how that note is doing. Hopefully, it's not doing well. I mean, maybe, hopefully, yeah. Okay. Anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at the account itself, and you can see right now that we have $18 coming in this month, and I feel that number is going to grow. It seems to slow down on the weekends, but after the weekends, it just like jumps. So I'm on, it's a Saturday or a Sunday right now. That's why this is staying down. But as soon as it hits Monday, I'm expecting an increase. My weighted average is at 13.51%, and over here it's 11.89, and currently it's 13.67. So if I didn't lose money on that, I would have, this 13.51. I'm not quite there, but I'm getting there, which is awesome. Everything's paying, which is awesome. And, things are looking pretty good if you take a look at my numbers. So I've deposited 3,000, but overall I've invested 3,200. What that means is if you count out the two traded notes that I traded, and the two notes that were actually fully paid. So I actually have two notes that were fully paid off. Another one got fully paid this month, which is, it happens. That means I've invested or had enough turnaround so far to purchase an additional four notes, which is pretty good. 1 month or 2 months or so, 3 months, and got four notes already, four new notes that are making me more money. That's awesome. So that's going pretty well. My Prosper account is also looking really good. You can see that it's gone up significantly as well. I've put in, some money here and there, and it's grown to $725. And this has been pending for a while, which is a little concerning, but hopefully it will either return to me or, you know, not. But I mean, it will return to me. If we take a quick look over here, you can see when I went for this note, it was on a stage 3, so I was pretty confident it would go through. But I guess it's still pending a review, which means there might be something sketchy, and it's good for Prosper to take the appropriate time, make sure that it's not sketchy. I'd rather get my money back eventually than lose it on a bad investment. Okay, looking at Prosper's numbers, scrolling down here, you'll see that I'm up $10 up to date. So of that 725, $10, that's pretty good for 3 months. That's really good. You can invest 2, 3 times that into a savings account or a CD, and you won't get that kind of return over that kind of time. So it's been going pretty well. My percentage is 13.33, so really close to my lending club. And I think it's just because of my approach. I'll invest in anything as long as I feel confident that the borrower is going to pay me back. So I feel pretty confident. And this is cool. It says the average days of my notes are 74. So overall, things are going pretty well. If I pull up a breakdown of everything in front of you, you can see the growth of the account from 1 month to the next. I have invested $800 more, but overall everything's paid out, so things are looking great. And you can also see with the Prosper account where I've invested about an additional $140, $50 into this, you can also see that there's a decent amount of growth. So I'm only expecting these numbers to get larger and larger as I make additional investments. And I also forecast that this month of May, I'll probably be putting in an additional $1,000 into my Lending Club account, as well as another 150 to 200 in the Prosper account. So these numbers are just going to continue to grow. Okay, hopefully you found that useful or cool or awesome, or leave your notes in the comments below. And I guess I will see you in June for the update about how this month or the next month goes. Okay, guys, I will see you later. Peace out.